Hi everybody, this is how you make this tutorial is going to talk about how to make a connect a switch to a remote door in FPS Creator. So what we're going to do is let's just choose a hallway and let's put that there. Great. And what we're going to do is go to segment mode, add a bit of a hallway there. So we need to get through that door there and come down to this room here, for example, just an example. Right, the first thing we need to do is get rid of this door because we need a remote door here. So I'm going to press N, hallway large door. I'm going to just right click on that door. What we want to do is we get our doors out of the segment libraries, and there's all kinds of doors, but the one you want to use to connect to a switch on a wall is a remote door. It's the only one that's going to work. So we're going to press OK and put a remote door in. Okay, there's a bit of a gap either side of the door there. I'm just going to fix it up by clicking another segment and choosing wall mode to fix that up. Now the switches are actually under entities. I'll just cancel that. And they're on wall furniture. I'm going to choose the switch here. Alright, just going to left click, put it there, it's on the wall. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to right click on remote door and rename it, because if we have all the doors called remote door and you use a switch, I'm going to call it Bob. There you go, it's called Bob. Hello Bob. If we had them all the same name and that switch would trigger all of them if they all had the same name. The next thing we need to do is tell the switch to open Bob. To do that we need to right click on switch 7, which you could also rename, but we don't want to call it remote door because I've called it Bob. So give all your doors different names. Alright, next step, we just need to test that. So we put the player start marker in and let's test that. You can also trigger remote doors using trigger zones as well. Walk through a zone and the door suddenly opens. Okay. Doesn't open, that's good. Let's go to the switch. Press enter. I'm miles away from it, it's still asking me to enter it. It is pretty cool. So open, close, open, close. Alright, now we can walk through it. And go down the hallway to our next room. So that's a quick tutorial on how to connect a switch to a remote door in FPS Creator. This is the first version of FPS Creator, which we've been using for about 8 years. Thanks.